Millions of women all over the world are constantly struggling to shed those extra pounds. Most of them would be happy to go down a dress size or two, or to look a little more toned, or to just get rid of those flabby arms that flap around like butterfly wings. Exercise and healthy eating are generally what's sold as the means to successful weight loss. But the reality is that most women are either too busy juggling family commitments and/or working a full-time job, and they just don't have the time and energy to spend hours at the gym or weigh their food daily while tracking their calories like a human calculator. So they end up trying weight loss supplements, or signing up for a Zumba class that they rarely attend, or starving themselves in the hopes of losing the weight. And it all usually ends up being a lot of effort for very little result. However, many women have been using a weight loss system that has been growing in popularity over the past year. It's called the Cinderella Solution, and it promises weight loss without P90X-like workouts, without expensive pills, and without the need to starve yourself in order to lose the weight. This program has become an online bestseller with thousands of happy customers and a ton of great reviews. But is it too good to believe? Do we really need a new weight loss program with a super cool name? And the most important question, does the Cinderella Solution work? Follow me to the next video, and we'll see if it lives up to the hype.